Hey guys, David here, and welcome to my low content creation machine review. Now make sure to stay to the end of this video because I'm not only going to be revealing the members area and all of my custom bonuses that I have created for you specifically for low content creation machine, but I'm also going to show you a thing or two about making money online selling these low content books and how to do it and kind of the strategy that I would use in order to make money with this method. So what is low content creation machine? Low content creation machine is actually a software that creates the interiors of low content books for you so that you don't have to do it manually. It saves you tons of time, and it's really a game changer when it comes to selling no content and low content books on Amazon, because instead of wasting a bunch of time designing interiors, this actually gives you interiors done for you on top of allowing you to create custom interiors for your books that you could just sell over and over again and create thousands of books and put them on Amazon and make potentially thousands of dollars online with this method. So let's go ahead now and jump inside of the members area of low content creation machine. So this is the members area of low content creation machine. As you can see, here are the custom done for you layouts that I was talking about before, and we're going to get into how to use this software and everything that it entails, all of the training, all of the bonuses that come with low content creation machine. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at the sales page. So here is the sales page for low content creation machine. As you can see here, the headline says low content publishing is exploding. Are you going to be left behind? Now, I would agree. Low content book publishing is huge right now. I am doing it myself, and I'm actually making hundreds of dollars doing this every single month, part-time passively. So I spent a few hours setting up these books about like 2 or 3 months ago, and then I just make passive income over and over again with these books simply by just leaving them on Amazon. It's one of the best, most passive business models that you can start. It's super easy and it's free to start. And this software right here will definitely make it a lot easier on you because you won't have to create the interiors of the book yourself. So let's go ahead and take a look at more of the sales page. He talks about all of the pros to selling on Amazon, especially selling low content books. He goes and talks about why low content is better than, large content books where you're writing, say, like a novel or a series. He goes in detail about why it's all about low content right now. Because it's evergreen, it's high demand, there's tons of niches, and actually some of my bonuses are going to be revealing high valuable niches for you to get into, and it's really easy to start. I would agree with all of that. Now here is the pricing structure of low content creation machine. You have the standard right here. So the standard gives you pre-designed templates. You can use the single page builder, which we're going to get into that very shortly, but there's no other features. So I highly recommend, if you're serious about making money with low content books on Amazon, definitely go for the pro version because it's going to give you everything that you need to just basically make hundreds of books in no time. So I wish I really had this when I started because it would have saved me hours creating each one of those books. It also gives you the ability to use the double page builder. You can upload your own prompts. You have the sections builder. You can enter in headlines, and you could save and reuse your templates. So definitely go with the pro version. So it's going to be $37 for the standard, and the pro is going to be $67. You can scroll down here on your own time and see all of this content on the sales page. There's a bunch of good stuff. It goes over all of the bonuses that you're going to be getting with this from the vendor himself, not including my bonuses. And there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can return it. So here again is the pricing structure, $37 and $67. Now let's go ahead, before we jump into all the bells and whistles, let's go ahead and take a look at those custom bonuses that I promised you if you decide to buy low content creation machine from me, and the link down below this video inside the description. So if you click on that link, it's going to take you to this bonus page. Now inside of this bonus page, you're going to find a bunch of information about low content creation machine. And if you want to purchase it at all, just go ahead and click on any of these green buttons and it'll take you back to that sales page, which we just looked at earlier. So let's talk about the bonuses. All of these bonuses I created specifically for this. These bonuses are actually coming from a course that I'm currently in the making of. So these are all very, very high quality bonuses. All these are coming from my own personal course that I will be releasing in the future. Bonus number 1, I'm going to teach you how to make books. So this is going to show you how to basically put together best-selling books, the ins and outs of it, creating the interiors and the exteriors. So if you want to create better interiors or more advanced interiors, this is going to teach you how to do that, as well as exteriors. Now, bonus number 2 is a niche list. This is going to give you 500 profitable niches that you can get into right away for selling these books on Amazon. This is going to save you a lot of time because it's going to take away all of that doubt, because you're going to know exactly what niches to start making books in. Bonus number 3, I'm going to teach you how to rank videos inside of Amazon. So these are all video trainings by me, step-by-step video trainings. And this is going to teach you how to rank on the first page of Amazon with your book and how to find profitable keywords. Bonus number 4 is book cover secrets, or book cover plus. I'm going to teach you how to make book covers that really get clicks and get sales on Amazon. That's a huge bonus right there for me. I haven't released this information anywhere else except for in this bonus page right here. So now bonus number 5 is keyword secrets. This is going to teach you how to find keywords that people are searching for and keywords that have buyer intent, so that when people search for these keywords, your video is going to come to the top and then they're going to be more likely to buy from you. So if you're interested at all, go ahead and click on that link down below and take a look at my bonus page. Those are all of the bonuses that I will be offering to you, but you also get the bonuses from the vendor that are included in Low Content Creation Machine. Now let's go ahead and dive into Low Content Creation Machine. This is the home page right here. This is what you're going to see once you purchase it. And then you can join the Facebook specifically created for Low Content Creation Machine. There's going to be a bunch of extra tips and tricks on how to make money with Low Content Creation Machine going on in that Facebook group. This getting started link takes you right here to a video where he's just going to show you how to use Low Content Creation Machine in order to create books quickly, easily, and efficiently. Now, here are the bonuses right here. It's a bunch of training bonuses. We'll open up this link, and as you can see, tons of videos that are extra on top of this, teaching you how to use Canva to create books easily. So he's going to go over creating the covers, but I also have you covered in my bonuses on how to create those exteriors. These are all of the custom done for you layouts that he's already built for you, and all you have to do is click on them. So we'll just do this. We'll click, and then you choose your size. So if you want a 6x9 or an 8.5x11, you choose your size, and then you choose your quantity. So this is how many pages you want. So I would go with like 120. I would hit go, and then it would download that template for me, and all I'd have to do is upload that onto Amazon. Now, if you've never done this before, he's going to teach you inside of the training section how to basically upload. So as you can see here, saving, editing, deleting your templates, and how to create and publish a book. So he's going to teach you how to put this all together and how to launch your books on Amazon. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this right here is My Templates. This is going to be where all your templates are saved. If you have the Pro version, you can save your templates. Now, if you have the Pro version as well, you're going to be able to use the double page builder, the prompts builder, the sections builder, and you're going to really unleash all of the potential inside of this. But right now, I'm just going to show you the single page builder. This is the only builder that you get with the basic section. So you can choose what you want to go onto the left side. So if you want full height of lines, you're going to get that right there on the left side. Now you can say you could put, let's do half lines and half empty box. So as you can see right there, it auto-populates and creates it for you. So now let's go ahead and take that off, and we want to do full page options. So we could have full checkboxes. Boom, right there. Perfect for a task list notebook or some kind of list style notebook. And let's see what else we have here. Border. So this is great for creating sketchbooks, but because you can't have blank pages on Amazon, but if you create a border around the page, it's perfect for sketchbooks, and sketchbooks sell like crazy on Amazon. So all you have to do now is just enter in the quantity of how many pages you want, select the paper size, 6x9, and then you can name it and you could save it and you could hit go, and it'll download that automatically for you. So that is low content creation machine. That is how it works. Now, like I promised you, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how to make money with low content books on Amazon. So I already know that this niche right here is really popular. I've sold quite a few books inside of this niche. This is the unicorn notebook niche. So I just typed in for my keyword, unicorn notebook for girls. Now, if you scroll down, you can see all of these people making money with these low content unicorn books. See, like right here, this book right here ranked 16,000. All it is a blank sketchbook with a cool little unicorn on the front. Check this out. I'm going to open it up. Oh, it doesn't even show it, but it does say right here, blank sketchbook. So all it is blank paper with that outline that I showed you earlier. And this person, let's see how much they're making. So they're ranked about 16,000. I would say that they're probably making anywhere between $50 and $100 or more, maybe even $200 a day with this one book right here. Let's take a look at another book. So this one right here, perfect. So as you can see, all they did was create this cover inside of a place called Canva, which is an image creating web app, and it allows you to create images for free. So they probably just created this in Canva. And as you can see, look, blank lines on the inside. This book right here, they're ranking. So I'm actually just doing this in my head, but it's ranked about 78,000. And they're selling it for $5.49, meaning they're probably making about $1.20 off of this. So I would say that just with this one notebook, probably about $20 or so a day with this one notebook. Now, the key though is creating tons of different books so that you have tons of books basically out there on Amazon so that people can buy books over and over again. Because if you have more than one book, it's a lot better, because if you focus all your attention on one book but it doesn't sell, then you're kind of out of luck. But if you create tons of books like these people right here, Joy Tree Journals, they create tons of different journals and they sell a lot. So all of these are blank. They just have blank lines on the inside, and they create these covers in Canva or Photoshop or places like that. And as you can see, they have tons. They have hundreds of books out there. And these people are probably making thousands of dollars per month just with creating these simple notebooks. So if you get my bonuses, however, I'm going to go over all of this in depth, showing you how to make money with these Amazon books, how to do your keyword research, how to do your niche research, how to create the covers, the interiors, everything that you need to really get going and start a low content book publishing business on Amazon. So I'm David the Info Man. I hope that you've enjoyed this review of low content creation machine. I will see you next time.